to discuss with you an issue that comes up over the telephone. In fact, it's coming up a lot more in the last 2 or 3 months. Right now in the world global economy, the U.S. and anything related to what's going on with some of the crisis that we're hearing about with economic issues in the U.S., it's got people kind of scared. They're worried. They're holding back. And I get people that their jobs are being lost, their businesses aren't producing as well, and they're wondering, what am I going to do about this? Sometimes they're even questioning whether or not their investment in the Forex market is a wise investment, because they see the stock market falling and so it's unpredictable. There's failing banks here and there, and it's got people a little on edge. Well, let me just deal with that specifically, okay? Because the Forex market is a unique animal. It's very different than the stock market. The stock market may rise and fall based on rumors and unpredictable news and things you can't trust at all. They can be false rumors, and it still affects dramatic changes in that market. But the Forex market is so different. The Forex market is not affected by any one single economy. Even one currency pair like the USD Swiss or the pound USD, Japanese yen. It's not like that particular economy is separated by itself. They're all interrelated. We're talking about a world economy when you're talking about major currencies like this. And so one particular economy doesn't necessarily mean that if they're having trouble, that their currency is going to be falling and diving through the four-wall itself. In fact, you've got correlated currency pairs. You may have 8 or 10 of them that will travel in a generally the same direction, opposite the correlation of other currencies. And this, quite frankly, is how it's normally working in the Forex market. So it really doesn't matter whether the market is rising or falling. You can buy or sell. It doesn't matter whether the businesses all around you are failing in your economy. The Forex market is good anyway. It's stable, even though it's rising and falling, even though it's volatile. That's the way it's supposed to be. And that means you can trust it regardless of what's going on in your economy. It's a great backup plan. It's a great side business. It's a great part-time, flexible business out there for you. Forex is fantastic. So if you're looking if you're checking out the Forex market, if you're new to it, or if you've been trading in it for a little while and you're wondering what's happening with that because of the economic issues you're hearing about, don't worry about a thing. Volatility just creates more opportunity in the Forex market, okay? And if you learn how to trade through technical analysis, the way I teach my students, quite frankly, I got students that are having fantastic successes despite the economic scare out there. So if you're looking for something you get involved with that you can learn part-time, that you can do on the side, where you can have control of your own investment, not having to worry about trusting somebody else to do it for you, Forex is a way to go. Hey, that's Tips on Trading. This is Steven's story.